Hey kids, my name is Shalu Bansali and I'm a storyteller, and I'm here again with yet another story, a new story. Now, what is the story? The story is about monkeys on the fast. Is it possible for monkeys to fast? Let us see. We'll see it in a story. The story is published by Karadi Tales, and it is written by Kaushik Vishwanath and illustrated by Shilpa Ranade. So, let us see if monkeys will be able to fast or not. Chakku, the monkey chieftain, and his tribe of monkey lived near a temple on the top of hill. They were always being fed by all sort of things that the people who come to visit the temple. So they were fed all the things like mithais, gulab jamun, rasgulla, peda, banana, mango, all sort of things by the people who come to worship in the temple. So one day, while Chakku was sitting in the temple, he realized that something is wrong. Something is wrong with him and his tribe. Now, what that can be? Can you guess? Chakku realized that with all these sweets and all these fruits and all these desserts, he and his monkey tribe is really getting fat, and he was very much worried about it. He thought that he has to do something seriously because he and his monkey tribe is getting fat. And why did he thought it so seriously? Because last night when one of his monkey, Little Bonnet, he fell down on the ground while napping on the branch. Now, how did that happen? Little Bonnet was napping on the branch, and branch just broke because of his body weight, and he fell down on the ground and hurt his head. So Chakku thought that he seriously has to do something to control the weight of the monkeys. Now, while Chakku was wondering what to do, he heard temple priest saying that tomorrow, on the 11th day of waxing moon, it is really good to fast and meditate. So tomorrow all the people, the temple priest and all the villagers are going to keep a fast and will meditate whole day. Now Chakku got an idea. He thought that he has got the solution to his problem. He just called all his monkey tribes. Come fast, come fast, come fast. I have to make an important announcement. Come fast, come fast. The entire monkey tribe gathered. Chakku started. Tomorrow, on the 11th day of waxing moon, Garas, what we call normally, the entire monkey tribe is going to fast. Fast? What does that mean, Chief Chakku? We have to eat our bananas first? Asked Little Bonnet. Chakku just looked angrily and said, no, it doesn't mean that. So what does fast means, Chief Chakku? Asked Macaque. Fast means tomorrow for the whole day we are not going to eat anything. We are going to eat nothing tomorrow? Yes, said Chief Chakku firmly. Tomorrow, on the 11th day of waxing moon, the entire monkey tribe is going to keep fast and is not going to eat anything. Now that's the that's a problematic thing. The monkey tribe has to fast tomorrow, exclaimed Macaque. Chief Chakku said, yes, for the whole day we are not going to eat anything, and tomorrow we all are going to meditate. Meditate? What does that mean? Tomorrow we all are going to sit on the temple terrace and meditate. Meditation will make us more intelligent and calm and composed. So, tomorrow let us meditate and keep fast. Okay, the monkey tribe agreed. The next day, Chakku in the lead, the entire monkey tribe gathered on the temple terrace and started chanting Om. Chakku, the chief, started first. Om. The entire monkey tribe repeated Om. Now, they could just barely chant it for twice or thrice. He heard a voice. Chakku heard a voice. Chief Chakku, I have an idea. Chaku opened his eyes and saw Bonnet speaking. What is the idea, Bonnet? Asked Chaku angrily. Instead of fasting here, instead of meditating here in the hot sun, why don't we go and meditate in banana groves? See, the trees will make us feel cool and we will able to meditate more properly there. Chief Chakku just gave a thought to the idea and said, yeah, it's a good idea. Instead of meditating here in the hot sun, it's good that we'll meditate in the banana grove. The entire monkey tribe moved to the banana grove and sat under one banana trees. Now, after the entire monkey tribe settled under the banana tree, Chakku again shouted, now no one will disturb. Let us start meditating again. As soon as Chakku just said, oh, Chief Chakku, Chief Chakku, Chief Chakku. Yet another disruption in the mantras. Now this time it was macaque. What is it, macaque? Why did you disturb me? Chief Chakku, I have yet another good idea. Instead of sitting here on this hard ground, see, we are not feeling good while sitting on the hard ground. The soil and the dust, it is just all coming over here. Why don't we sit on the top of banana tree and meditate? See, when we sit on the top of banana tree, firstly, we don't have to sit on the hard ground, and secondly, we will feel more near to heaven. We will feel more near to God. Before Chakku could agree, the entire monkey tribe clapped and thought, what an intelligent monkey macaque is. Yes, macaque, it is a very good idea. Yes, macaque, it is a very good idea. And the entire monkey tribe just went and sat on the top of tree. Now, Chakku asked again, now everything is settled. Now let us start meditating. And they started again with the Chakku. Om. The monkeys chanted again. Om. Now this Om just completed twice or thrice. Chakku heard another voice. It was Bonnet again. What is it, Bonnet? Asked Chakku in a furious tone. Why are you just disturbing again and again? What is the problem with you? Chakku just scratched his head and thought that this is not the way I thought the fast should be. This is not the way the meditation should go. I didn't think this. You people are just keep on disturbing and disturbing and disturbing. Now tell me, what is it? What do you want? Just Bonnet like in a very fearful tone, he said, I have an idea, Chief Chakku. See, we are meditating on a banana tree. Why don't we take a banana in our hand and meditate? Now, why do you need a banana in your hand? Asked Chakku. See, when we'll take banana in our hand, as soon as our fast will end, we will eat it fast. We don't have to be hungry for a longer time. Now Chakku thought something is really wrong. This is not going to work. This is not happening. Before he could disagree to this, the entire monkey tribe plucked a banana and took it in their hand. Bonnet gave one in Chakku's hand as well. Now the entire monkey tribe, banana in their hand, started meditating again. Oh, now do you think, is it possible for a monkey to keep banana in his hand and meditate? The entire tribe was looking at the bananas and were just feeling, they were getting mad with the smell of ripe bananas. They were looking it greedily that when they'll able to eat it. They were going bananas over the banana. So the entire monkey tribe, they were just like waiting when this is going to end and then they'll get to eat the bananas. So they started again with the Chakku chanting Om. When Chakku chanted Om, he yet again heard the voice of macaque. See, Chief Chakku, we have just kept the bananas in our hand. Why don't we peel it and keep it? See, in this way we'll be able to eat it more faster when our fast will end. Now Chakku just scratched and held his head, and he was like furious and angry and thought, what is this? What is this? This is not going to happen. This is not possible. How we can keep the peeled banana in our hand? So before Chakku could disagree to his words, the monkey tribe fatafat peeled the bananas and just kept it in his hand. Bonnet peeled Chakku's banana as well. Now Chakku said, okay, see, you have peeled bananas in your hand. Now kindly meditate, concentrate and meditate. The entire monkey tribe closed their eyes again and started chanting Om. But the smell of ripened bananas were driving them crazy. The smell, the aroma of banana was driving them mad, and they were not able to concentrate at all. What to do? What to do? What to do? They cannot eat because of Chakku. So, before Chakku could chant Om again, Macaque had another idea. See, Chief, why don't we keep a piece of banana in our mouth and chant Om and meditate? See, in this way, as long as we don't swallow the banana, we will be fasting. Keeping a piece of banana in our mouth does not end our fast. We'll not swallow it. We'll just keep it in our mouth. See, the smell is driving us crazy. So when we will keep a banana in our mouth, we will be able to concentrate more better. Chakku just opened his eyes and glared at Bonnet. What is happening? Before Chakku could say anything, the entire monkey tribe took a bite of banana and kept in their hand. The Chakku was looking at all of them, and all of them were with the mouth full of bananas. Now, after having one bite, Macaque mumbled, Chief Chakku, does it make any difference if the banana is in our mouth or in our stomach? See, both are our body parts. If we had kept in our mouth, we can kept in our stomach as well. Before Chakku could just react to it, the entire tribe finished the bananas hurriedly. And the fast finally ended. Bonnet and Macaque were hailed as heroes by the entire monkey tribe for the great ideas that they gave, and Chakku was still figuring out what to do, how to reduce weight of the entire tribe. Now, what do we see? Monkey goes banana when they sees banana, and Chakku just finally realized that it is not possible for his monkey tribe to fast. So, kids, if you like my story, please share and subscribe. Tuck Tales. Thank you.